Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In today's video, we'll be seeing the details on India's plan to equip the Heron drones with laser guided munitions, air to ground, and air launched anti tank guided missiles. We will also check what actually the drone upgrade project Cheetah was all about. Due to all border disputes with China in the eastern Ladakh region, India is making sure to equip all defense fleets with every powerful and unique weapons, aircrafts, and helicopters. Recently, we know Indian Air Force added 5 Rafale fighters from France, and that was celebrated by everyone in India. There are many more to be added to Indian defense fleets, like the Russian Kamov K-226T and American origin Sikorsky MH-60R Seahawk helicopters. In this video, we will just discuss about the latest update on Israel Aerospace Industries Heron drones of Indian Armed Forces. As per the defense sources, India is planning to equip almost 100 Heron drones with laser guided bombs, air to ground, and air launched anti tank guided missiles. All this is just to make sure these drones do stronger surveillance to keep an eye on enemy locations and launch stations. So, what are these Israel Aerospace Industries Heron drones all about? These drones are medium altitude, long endurance unmanned aerial vehicle which uses an internal GPS navigation device and sometimes a pre programmed flight profile to perform surveillance. These Heron drones are already in service with Indian Air Force, Indian Navy, and Indian Army. Not just that, the defense forces are also planning to place more orders for the Heron surveillance drones and Spike anti tank guided missiles from Israel under the emergency financial route of the government. Coming back to the plan to equip the Heron drones with missiles, this is just to make sure they are deployed in the forward locations of Ladakh sector along the China border so that we can monitor the actual movement of Chinese troops. It will also help to verify the disengagement of China along the border. Until the Spike anti tank guided missiles are inducted, DRDO is being asked to expedite their work towards developing the indigenous man portable anti tank guided missiles. We also know that the Indian Air Force were planning to upgrade the Israel Aerospace Industries Searcher and Heron drones under the project called Project Cheetah. The project, which costs around 10,000 crores, would be used to upgrade these drones so that they can be used for surgical strikes as well. These upgrades would also enable the Indian Air Force ground station handlers to operate these drones from far off distances and control them through satellite communication systems. So that was a quick update on India's plan to equip the Heron drones with laser guided munitions, air to ground, and air launched anti tank guided missiles. We also saw a quick recap on the Project Cheetah, which was initiated for upgrading the drones to make them a killer drone from a normal surveillance one. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.